Hey, welcome back. This video has been a long time coming. We left off with me showing off Leonardo on his base. We'll pick up where we left off. As I've mentioned in my other videos, I prefer to use a speed paint from Army Painter. For this example, I'll be using the Dusk Red for all the leather spots on the turtles. This would include the straps on every turtle that holds their weapons, as well as the pouches. I use a finer paintbrush to get into a lot of the smaller areas. I really like the way this Dusk Red turned out. Just realized I forgot to show you which paint I used for the shells. I actually used this Brownish Decay. I added some to the airbrush and applied it to all the turtle shells. I added spot putty and painter's tape in certain areas just to prevent the paint from bleeding to any other areas that I didn't want the color to affect. I had to paint the inside of their shells next. I used this clay paint, which I also got from Speed Painters, and added to the airbrush. I applied that clay paint to all four of the turtles. The exact same paint was used. Painter's tape and spot putty was also used for this process. I wanted to make sure that paint didn't get into any of the areas I have already painted. It should hopefully look something like this when done. Next, let's find the right color for each headband. I used a blue for Leonardo, a different red for Raphael, an orange for Mikey, and this purple I have for Donatello. I had to test out a few different options because I had a few different colors until I found the one I actually really liked. I'll post the exact colors I use for the headbands in the description below. I probably should have added some painter's tape around the head to protect the color from bleeding. I had to go back and clean up the paint job a bit. Everything seems to be coming up together nicely. We'll see what it looks like when it's all put together.
If you like the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. It helps my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video.
Let's take a look at these turtles. First up, we have Leonardo. Here's Raph. Here's Donnie. And up last, we have Mikey. And here are the final pieces. We'll focus on Leonardo and Raphael here, and a focus on Michelangelo and Donatello here. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
See you in the next one.